Stop what you're doing right now. What I'm about to show you in the next 4 minutes will make you question everything you thought you knew about making money on YouTube. I've been secretly testing this for 6 months, and the results are honestly disgusting. If you're broke, unemployed, or just tired of your 9 to 5, this changes everything. But here's the thing. YouTube is cracking down on people sharing this method. So watch this entire video right now before it gets buried. Last Tuesday at 2:47 a.m., I got this message. Dude, I'm 19, dropped out of college, $30,000 in debt, living in my mom's basement. I have crippling social anxiety. I stutter when I talk, and I look like a potato on camera. My girlfriend left me, my friends think I'm a failure, and my parents are disappointed. But I need to make $5,000 a month or I'm literally going to end up homeless. Is there any way, and I mean any way, to make serious money on YouTube without showing my face or using my voice? Please, I'm desperate. This kid's story broke my heart, because 18 months ago, that was me. Here's what nobody tells you about faceless YouTube channels. 99% of creators are doing it completely wrong. They're using outdated methods from 2019 while AI has literally revolutionized everything. But I cracked the code. This method is so powerful, so unfair, that I've been keeping it secret for months. Content creation. AI does it in 8 minutes. Voiceovers. AI clones. Morgan Freeman's voice. Thumbnails. AI creates Hollywood-level designs. Video editing. Completely automated. The best part? You create one piece of content, and AI automatically transforms it into 47 different videos across multiple niches. While everyone else is grinding 12 hours a day, you're making money while you sleep. Let me show you exactly how this works with a real example I created yesterday. Topic: 7 AI tools that will make you rich in 2025 inches. Step 1. I typed this topic into my AI system at 9:23 a.m. Step 2. By 9:31 a.m., just 8 minutes later, I had a complete 12-minute video. Professional script? Done. Celebrity quality voiceover? Done. Cinematic visuals and animations? Done. Viral thumbnail? Done. Step 3. I uploaded it and went to get coffee. By the time I finished my latte, the video had 847 views. By dinner, 12,000 views. This morning, 340,000 views and climbing. Now here's where it gets absolutely insane. That single video I created in 8 minutes yesterday, guess how much money it made in just 24 hours? Seriously, drop your guess in the comments right now. The person who gets closest gets a free 1-hour call with me where I'll build their first AI video live. Ready for this? $4,847 in 24 hours from 8 minutes of work. But that's just one video from one channel. Let me show you the bigger picture. I've been running 3 different AI-powered faceless channels for the past 6 months. Channel 1, Tech AI Niche, 1.2 million subscribers, launched 4 months ago. Channel 2, Finance Crypto, 890K subscribers, launched 3 months ago. Channel 3, Productivity Business, 650K subscribers, launched 2 months ago. Total subscribers across all channels, 2.74 million. Total videos created, 94. Average creation time per video, 12 minutes. Last month's combined revenue from YouTube AdSense alone, $127,000. But here's the kicker. AdSense is just 30% of the total income. Affiliate commissions from promoting AI tools, $89,000. Sponsored content deals, $156,000. Course sales, yes, I sell a course on this method, $234,000. Total monthly income, $606,000. From channels where I never show my face, never use my voice, and AI does 95% of the work.